Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to swap out your halo bulbs on your BMW E90, E92, or E93. And you can use this tutorial for a huge range and a whole bunch of generations of these BMWs. So I think the yellow halo bulbs that came with these cars from the factory just don't look great. They look really old and outdated. So I think that's one of the top modifications or top little touches that all of y'all should do to your BMWs. And whether you just don't like the color or maybe your halo bulbs went out on you, this DIY is going to show y'all how to swap them out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so first thing we're going to go ahead and do is remove this cover where the halo bulb is located, and for that you get a flathead screwdriver. Basically wedge it in, kick the front out as you try to pull it out. There's going to be these two push tabs located right here and right here. Basically get your flathead in there, pop them out. Sweet, just like that. And basically what I'm going to be showing you guys is that there's going to be these two little push tabs right here and right here. Get your flathead pushed back and then lift up, and this should come straight off. Sweet, guys, and here we have a cluster of wires. Don't worry about any of these. This is basically the anti-error CAN bus little receptor thing, so don't worry about that. The bulb is actually right down in there. It's going to be a 90-degree turn, just like everything else, lefty-loosey. So since we are looking at it from this angle, we're going to turn the bulb that way, twist it out, and then pull the bulb back. And then it really does help because these bulbs have like these tabs. You can't really get your hand in there, so you'll just turn it with the flathead just like I just did right there. And make sure you turn it all the way before you start pulling. Cool, just like that. Bam, just like that. And basically what I did, guys, is I got my flathead in there. I was able to turn it just enough. You don't want to go too hard because then you'll start prying on the headlight assembly. I got 2 fingers in this way, 2 fingers in that way, and literally just turned right here. Pull it back and you can angle your halo bulb out. And from here, guys, we're gonna go ahead and make sure everything's disconnected. Be extremely careful not to pull on any of these cables. They can be super fragile over time. Just lightly pull the tabs back just like that, and then yeah, your old halo bulb is removed. Sweet, guys, and these are the new halo bulbs that I purchased on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. They're 40 watts, so they are pretty bright. They're 6000 K for the color, so they're gonna be like an ice white color. They're not gonna be blue or anything like that. Yeah, they're about 40 bucks online. Seem to be good quality. They get really good reviews, and yeah, I'll leave a link down below. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our first one and pull it out. Sweet, guys, and it's gonna come with this little unit right here. You have to plug these into the halos. That way they don't throw any codes or anything like that. So literally you have your 2 little connections and you're literally just gonna place them in. Bam, and this will make sure that you don't get any codes or any weird like dashboard errors. And from here, we're gonna go ahead and slide this into the assembly and rotate it to the right. And easier said than done, guys. Just be as careful as you can not to touch all over the bulb. I would recommend maybe putting on a new pair of gloves before you do this. Sweet, so I sat the bulb in position, and basically the best way to do this thing is not gonna go in. You don't have a lot of space. I'm telling you guys right now, the best way, it took me like 10 seconds after I figured this out. Tilt the bulb all the way back in the assembly, then grab with your fingers around here, press it forward, and then slide it in. Don't try to come in from this way. You're not going to get it. Slide back, tilt down, and then forward. Sweet, so new bulb is in, guys. You're not going to be able to fit your whole hand in. Get 2 fingers from your right hand, and then get 2 fingers from your left hand, and basically work like that to twist it into place. And so right here, guys, you guys can see a positive and negative symbol right there. And so basically, how you're going to plug this in. So you'll see right here we have A and B, and then we have our positive connected to A, negative to B, just like that. And from there, just go ahead and push in the little clip. Like I said, be super careful not to pull in the wires back here. And then from here, guys, you can really just grab everything and tuck it in a good manner. That way they don't jingle around everywhere. And then from here, we can pop our little cover on. Sweet, and remember, guys, like I said, the 2 hooks here, 2 hooks here. So basically slide it into position, and you're gonna have to just work with it. It is a very tight fit, and just basically get it in, keep sliding it back. And once it's back, make sure it fully aligns, push in the front, and then from there, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and pop our key in the ignition. So we're gonna go ahead, bam. Link down below where you can purchase your own push start buttons, such as this, by the way. And yeah. Yep, just my little TPMS warning that I'm gonna go ahead and get cleared out. If we mess with our BC, yeah, no light warnings. Sweet. And yeah, guys, coming around, just showing y'all how these new halos look, and I think they look sick. To me, they're about the perfect color, honestly. They're kind of like a ice white with just a hint of blue. Oh yeah, guys, those are sick. And the only downfall to most of these halos, to be honest with you, is that you'll never truly get the outer ring as illuminated as the inner ring. But even then, at nighttime, I'm sure this will look perfectly fine. Even in the day, I mean, they're really bright, guys. So far, super happy with them. Yeah, they look really good. And I really do strongly think lighting is one of the top ways that you can make your car look years and years newer. Look at that. Compared to the yellow it comes with from the factory, this just looks so much better. Huge success, huge thumbs up. Highly recommend these. Well, yeah, guys, that is how you install or upgrade the halo bulbs in your BMW E90, E92, or E93. Hope you guys found this video helpful. I hugely recommend swapping these bulbs out. Like I said, it'll make your car look years newer and honestly just way more aesthetic and more aggressive. If y'all found this video helpful, you like the way these bulbs look, go and smash that thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all, and I'll leave a link down below for all the products that I purchased. That way you guys can just do a little click, buy them yourself, and yeah, you'll have the same ones. Go and smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay in the loop on all the videos to come. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.